In 1970, Dodge built 61 of these model cars with these options. It is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, 440 six-pack, 4-speed, convertible top. 61 is the total, and it's the subject of this week's Autopsy Report. E87 446 pack, 390 horsepower. D21, a lot of these are similar to ones we've done recently. It actually represents a 4-speed manual transmission. In this case, because it's behind a 440, it's actually the 18 spline. JS27, the first 4 characters of the vehicle identification number. J means it's a Challenger. S, special price class, which means it's a performance model. The RT27, convertible top. The next 3 digits of the vehicle identification number, Victor 0 Bravo. Victor means it's a 446 pack, 0 means 1970 model, and B means it was built in Hamtramck, Michigan. They only built these cars in 2 places, Hamtramck and LA. LA never built convertibles. And the serial number 155639, that's unique just to this car. It matches the dash VIN and the door label. EB5, E represents the year this color was introduced, 1969. B5, beautiful blue metallic. H6XW represents that it's bucket seats, all vinyl, and white in color. 000 represents the door panels, a 1-piece interior door trim panel. A08, A represents October for the scheduled production date. 08, the 8th day. This car was scheduled to be produced on October 8th, 1969. 016994, the unique shipping order number. Only appears on the broadcast sheet. V3W represents the convertible top in white. A33, track pack, means it has a 354 Dana. Disc brakes are optional. This car actually happens to have disc brakes. A62, rally instrument cluster. B51, power brakes. C16, center console. C55, bucket seats. G31, left-hand outside racing mirror in chrome, and it's remote. G33, right-hand outside manual chrome mirror. N, November 41, dual exhaust. N42, dual exhaust with bright tips. N85, 8,000 RPM tachometer. P37, it means the top is power. R11, AM radio. V6W, white longitudinal stripe, all original on this car. Y05 means build to US specifications. 26-inch max cooling radiator. EN1, again, means the end of the sales codes. There is a 1 of 61 1970 Challenger 446 pack, 4-speed in B5 blue, white top, white interior. Go find another one with original paint.